Ayun. So, guys, yung mic ko sandali.
Guys, thank you so much. I know there's no supporters yet on this channel, pero I'm going to be sharing lots of my I don't know if I call it whatever, guys. Well, I don't know. I'm really doubtful if I'm an artist, although I'm a baker. I work with pastries, so it's food is connected with art. So I lost it. I'm trying to cultivate, and then while struggling with something, gets nyo guys. So ayun guys. So anyway, so please stay with me on this channel, Prototype. What if Prototype? What if all your what you'd like to do, all your dreams, like what if, like this is my one of my what if. I don't know if gonna be able to fulfill some of my dreams, some of them I'm frustrated, but I don't know guys if it's going to happen. So just so at least I'm doing something already to make that happen, even so in little steps. By so my niece suggested this roller pen. It's good for doing drawing. So this one guys, I sketched a bench while waiting for my sister in the salon, and it is a long story, but I came up with this one. So just the bench first, and it looks like, you know, somebody standing behind the bench. So now I'm getting it that sometimes you sketch first. At first it's just a bench, and then it has an illusion. It becomes like this, like that. I pricked a hole on it because of shading, and it eventually, with putting a red thing behind in the background, gave it another dimension of some kind of inner clothing of the person.